We're here today with a really special taonga, Rehua, which is a taonga of Ngāti Kuri from up in the far north, which is a sperm whale jaw that belonged to a big adult male sperm whale that washed up in the far north in 2004. And today we are fitting the teeth, the remaining teeth, back into the jawbone.
So Rehua is going to be going on display in some of the museum's upcoming gallery renewal projects. And it's going to be a really exciting new part of our new galleries. So when the jaw was first discovered, it was buried, and then there's natural processes of decomposition sort of help break down and remove the flesh. So when we received the jaw, all of the flesh had been removed and it didn't stink too bad at that point, which is quite good. What we've been doing today is we've been consulting with some of the experts in our marine team to work out where the teeth fit back into that jaw, so we can try and display Rehua in the most accurate way for how it would have looked when it was alive.
We have some of the teeth, not all of the teeth. Some of the teeth were found with the jaw. Teeth are a special taonga in themselves and are used for carving and to make taonga by local iwi. We
thought it would be quite difficult trying to work out where they go, but there's a pretty good match into where they sort of slot back in. It's almost like a puzzle piece, so you can sort of work out where those teeth are meant to fit in. But yeah, we will be sort of trying to create a sort of material in which they can sit back in that socket and not damage the object.
The intention is that this jawbone will go on display, and so our visitors can see Rehua, can meet Rehua, and understand why Rehua is important, and share something of the stories of Ngāti Kuri.